Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and recently Darren and I took a trip to Kansas to visit some of his family members. Oh, we had so much fun. I can't wait to go back. But along the way, you know how I am. I stop a lot. So when I need to get out and walk and use the restroom, I go to the stores. First one we went to was one of my favorites, JoAnn's. And I was just going to run in, see if they had any fabric, the Valentine's and St. Patrick's Day, for $4 like they had done the Christmas. I'm going to have to go back when it gets closer because as of right now, wow, it's expensive. These were 30% off. I love this. It's really, really cute. But I have to say, this is my favorite. Do I wish these gnomes were smaller? I absolutely do. But this will still be cute for my bigger dolls or a Blythe doll. You know, Blythes are so whimsical with those big heads. This will still work. So I got these two, and then Darren went over to check to see if the patterns were on sale. And we got these and these. I'm hoping down the road some of you will want to do a 14-inch doll collaboration with me, maybe this spring, and I'll mail you the pattern. I love my new welly wishers. I got this and I wish I had gotten more. What a fun collab for the fall. And then I only got one of these for myself. Do y'all know that, what is her name, that
Grace Vanderwall?
Grace Vanderwall. Doesn't she look like her? I mean, I know her hair's a different color, but just the whole thing, the boots and the outfit and the whole thing. And I love this pattern. It's great for beginners. I mean, wonderful beginner pattern. So they had three. I thought we would do a Barbie collab with that. And then Darren noticed as we were walking by, have you bought thread lately? Oh my God, it's so expensive. So he had me get a handful of thread. They only had like basic colors, gray, tan, black, white. So I got those. He went next door. God love him. He knows I like these white shirts from the Dollar Tree in this Barbie set are absolutely perfect for Blythe dolls, for pants or skirts or whatever. And they're done. You don't have to make them. So I've been sending these with Happy Mails when I send skirts. That way they have something to wear with it. And I like them for myself too. So I asked him, could you go over and see if they have those white shirts? He's like, yep, how many do you want? Well, they ended up having quite a few and we bought them. I will use those for sure. And then I got these. I have a little purpose for those. Darren found this hanging. While it's not a very good towel to wipe your hands on, it's going to look really cute on my stove hanging. I love to do the holiday towels, tea towels, and terry towels to wipe your hand on. And I love bicycles, and when it's bicycles and holidays, I absolutely love it. They had this for 75% off, I think, so cheap, cheap, cheap. And I got two of these, actually, and one more of the white shirts. The next stop was Walmart. Walmart, I don't know that I've ever been in before. And they had their holiday print cut fabrics for $1 a yard. $1 a yard. I went through it and I got anything I thought I would use. I like this to make a little boho outfit out of. I can picture it in my head. I'll have to make my own pattern and see if it works. And then they had these half yards of, well, this one will be Christmas, and it's kind of large, you can see, but I have bigger dolls too. And then these fall, I really like this one. That'd be cute on my 24 and up, well, actually 18-inch and up, and I'm always looking for Thanksgiving prints, always. So these were, 75 cents, I think. And I got those. Later on the way back, on the way home, we stopped at a JoAnn's, different JoAnn's, and they had this, let me think, it was $9.99 a yard, 60% off, but they had, I don't know which one it is, but I think it's this one. They had a remnant that was almost a yard that by the time she took the 60% off and then whatever it was for the remnant discount, I think 40%, I ended up getting both of these. This is a yard, this is almost a yard, for just over $5, including tax. I will be using those for sure. So we got home, and in the mail, well, there was more than this, but this had come the other day, is cord that I got for the back of Blythe doll for the pull cords, because I've been putting double on with the beads and the names and all of that. We're also going to be offering this for sale. It is nice nylon pull cord. And I don't know what we're charging. We're still doing the math. It's not going to be much, like $1 a foot or whatever. This is just good stuff. You burn the edge a little bit, pull it out with your, you flame it so it's not boiling, and then make a point out of it, and you can get your knot and beads and everything in it. Love this stuff. I was thrilled when Darren found it. And that's for this haul, but stay tuned because there was more. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know how you think I did on prices, and subscribe.